Eastern Woodland region by Lisa Angel, Beatrice, or Lab. The Eastern Woodlands have provided many resources to survive. The Eastern Woodlands live near the Mississippi River. The Mississippi River has a wide range of climate. There are large bodies of water like farmland, forests, and mountains. The climate would be cold in the winter and hot in the summer, so the people of the Eastern Woodlands had to adapt to the climate because of the needs and the different conditions. The important animals are rabbit, deer, and bear. Deer provided meat and mother called buckskin. The clothing that was made from buckskin lasted a long time. The clothing was worn, so they mostly used it during the days that were cold. Canoes and baskets. People used canoes to travel and fish in the region lakes and rivers. People used baskets to carry water and hold food. The Wendigo. One of the Eastern Woodland legends was called the Wendigo. The Wendigo was something that ate people. The people that were lost in the woods, when they returned home from the forest, they became violent and antisocial. They would be overcome the urge to eat human flesh. The only way they could kill it is to roast and burn their bodies in ashes. According to the different versions of legends, there are many ways to get inhabited by the Wendigo. The ways to get inhabited are by the shaman's curse, dreaming of Wendigo, or people that were bitten by the Wendigo became Wendigos.
Tools. The Eastern Woodlands had many tools. They mostly used the tools to hunt for food. They used arrows and sharpened the arrowhead to make it sharp. They also used deadfalls and traps to catch the beavers.
Ceremonies. Most Eastern Woodlands tribes had feasts and ceremonies to celebrate special occasions throughout the year. This includes ceremonies to mark each new season of the year, as well as important phases of life. Eastern Woodlands Indians use different colors of face paint to represent different ideas during the ceremonies. For example, red paint signified life and black paint signified death or intense sadness. Many of the ceremonies were celebrations and festivals that had dancing.
Food. The Eastern Woodlands ate deer, bison, beavers, and berries and corn. They also eat squash, fish, and many other animals. Beliefs. The beliefs is called the Kachimanatoi. It was a spirit that the shamans and the medicine man were the only ones that would communicate with the spirit. It was a good spirit, unlike the Wendigo.
Thank you for listening to our presentation.
This is the arrow they used to hunt for animals. And over here is the longhouse, which it would fit up to 3 to 2 families in it.
This right here is the canoe, which people use canoes to travel and fish in the region lakes and rivers. And this one is the small house, which was made out of birch bark, and it was called.
This river represents the Mississippi River. They lived near the Mississippi River.
So this is the bear, and it was an important animal because it made some clothes, and over there is the rabbit, and the rabbit as well also made the clothes that they used when it was cold.
Thank
Thank you.